Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable Facebook Shop integration on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Then, from the left-hand side menu, click on Apps. Now, click on Shopify App Store to open the App Marketplace. In the search bar, tap Facebook and press Enter. From the results, click on Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Now, click on the Install button to add it to your store. Once it's installed, open the app from your Apps section. Now, click on Connect Account. A login screen will appear. Here, enter your email address or phone number and your Facebook password to log in. Once you log in successfully, your Facebook account will be connected to your Shopify store. After that, follow the on-screen steps to link your Facebook Business Manager, Facebook page, ad account, and commerce account. Once all steps are completed, your product will sync to your Facebook shop and your store will now be connected. Facebook Shop integration is now enabled on your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.